Hello everybody, I hope you're having a nice day. So I'm here to show you our newest pattern, which is the Nomi dress that I have got on. I'm going to put in some images though, because it's hard for you to see the full length in this frame, but also for you to see all the different variations and also on different models. So this is a really lovely easy jersey pattern. We wanted to do a nice comfy to wear jersey pattern, but also something that would be wearable for parties, given we're in the party season or it's approaching. And we also wanted to make something that had variations. That's often something that we always do, so that you can add the elements that make it feel like it's the dress for you. So I've got on the version with long sleeves, but you can also make it with 3/4 sleeves. And I've got on the round neck version, but you can also wear it with twist knot, and I'll put that on for you in a minute so that you can see that one as well. It's got an elasticated waist, and that's got the skirt gathered in, and you can't see it, but I have got on, lovely, the version with 2 tiers, so it's maxi length, and you can make that second tier slightly shorter, so it would be midi length, or you can just put the one skirt piece on and it can be just above the knee. So you've really got lots of options there. It's hopefully a really classic jersey dress for you guys to have in your wardrobes. Super simple to sew, because it's really just a few pieces. You've got your front bodice, you've got your back bodice, sleeves, and then there's the skirt pieces. So really easy. Of course it comes in our sizes from size 6 to size 30, so the full size range. We recommend that you make it in viscose jersey, because you want to have some drape in the skirt. If you made it in cotton jersey, the skirt could be quite stiff. So if you did make it in a cotton jersey, there would have to be some sort of drape in that cotton jersey. That would make it much more, it would hang much more nicely. So like I said, it's great for confident beginners. It's not too tricky to sew at all. We have been sewing them up in about 3 hours. So obviously we're quite experienced sewers. So that will give you a kind of idea of how long it would take you to make it. So it really is quite simple. I have worn this on the day of the shoot. I've only worn it once, and I literally did not want to take it off. I was like, I'm just going to wear this now for the rest of the year. So I'm really, really pleased personally about how it's turned out, because it's something that I really want in my wardrobe. Here it is in the twisted knot neckline, so you can make this version. We wanted this version because we thought this felt a little bit more party. Obviously it's got more of a plunging neckline. Which of course you can have slightly raised. This wasn't actually, we just made this, we didn't fit it, but I probably would have kind of made it a little bit higher for me. Yeah, completely different option to have with the dress. It doesn't come with a top pattern, but I am up for making it as a top pattern, because I think if I just lengthened the bodice, I think it'd be a really nice jersey top also for the evenings. So on Instagram there will be a video all on don't touch that jazzy, I've got jazzy here just there, stay up there. On Instagram there'll be a video on IGTV, I'm doing it this month, on how I style it, so watch out for that. But until then, I hope you enjoy the Nomi dress. Don't forget to share your photos of it, SOI Nomi dress, check out that hashtag. We've already got that populated by some of our pattern insiders. But yeah, I can't wait to see all your versions, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye.